Eddie Smith, the Regional Engineering Manager of the NICEIC. We are a certification body primarily concerned with the accreditation and assessment of electrical people who carry out installation work in buildings and also the maintenance of the electrical systems on buildings. So for example, the FM components. We're here to raise the standard because at the moment there is no regulation regarding the standard of operatives who carry out electrical maintenance. We've been going in the United Kingdom for 60 years and we have 37,000 contractors registered with us. Our intention is to start an accreditation system in the UAE to raise the standards not only for the benefit of the contractors who carry out the electrical work, maintenance work, but also for the homeowners, specifiers and designers. Pay the fees for having the electrical work carried out. Those who don't meet our standards, we help them to increase their standard by carrying out training to various levels, either bespoke training for people who do pack testing or basic level accessory replacements such as light fittings, light switches, or more formal training and advanced training for those who carry out the fixed testing of the fixed wiring installation in any electrical installation, be it at the school, a dwelling, a swimming pool, sports centres, offices, shops, shopping malls, etc.